That's the driver helping out. So the truck is there. So the truck is locked. They're trying to use the hammer to unlock the door. So let's see what happens there. So if it's the first time here, please consider subscribing. It's Sande. Like, comment, share, and share the video. So they are trying to refill this kind of a quarry or a wetland. It is a wetland, by the way. So they are trying to refill it by sand because during the flood season it all flooded. So you can see the truck on that side. Guys trying to unlock the door. Unlocked. There's a plane up there. Can you see it? So they are able to unlock. Able to unlock the door. That's how they pour the sand. So this the work has stopped because of this truck which is unable to open now. So things fall apart in a quarry. Things fall apart in a quarry refill. That will be the headline of the video. It's becoming tough and tough now. It's like a stone has blocked the door, so they're trying to knock it down. So for those joining right now, my name is Sande. Welcome to this YouTube channel. It's _Sande. I'm showing you this quarry around Africa. They're using the hammer to unlock the door. Another tipper coming. Another tipper coming then. So they've been doing this for the last few weeks, almost all of this month. So there's another tipper on that side. So what happens mostly in Kenya is that sometimes during the dry season, when the water is at low levels, people tend to come and build houses where they used to be rivers or lakes. So when the rains come back, they flood the area. So that's what used to happen here. We used to have many houses here, but now when the floods came early this year, the whole place was flooded. So that's what happens, guys. So the tipper is coming back down. I'm gonna pour the sand. So my worry is about the houses that are close to this particular place, especially those ones that are down there. Let me show you by my hand those ones there. How will they survive, guys? How will they survive? Putting in consideration that they're still raising the place higher and higher. That means you'll end up being submerged by the sand. And you know, when it rains, the soil or dirty water will go into the houses. So you can just see how they're lifting up the So these tippers are the main form of transportation for construction sites. They carry sand, stones. Let's just if the door is open. So there's another one behind there, you can see. So it's like the door has not opened. Trying to unlock the door. It's becoming more hard for them. The driver has to come out and sort the issue. See, the door has refused to open now. Let's see what will happen. Some bird here moving around the black kite. So maybe the option is to bring the tipper down first, then he raises it later, or shake it like that. Hey, it's very dangerous. Know what the driver is trying to do. So just gone back to the same place he was. I don't know what's happening now. He's trying to balance the truck so that he's able to pour easily. They're telling him ikinama huwezi fungua. That means if the truck is not on a straight level, it will not open. Let's see if it opens now. Okay, he's trying to so now it's unable to open. So these guys are trying to reclaim this wetland area by pouring some sand or soil until it refills the wetland. This place used to be a very big, can say ditch or holes, and during the floods it all flooded and now they're trying to reclaim it, because those are the tippers trying to bring some sand and pouring in the area to make the place look high. So they're directing it where to go. So just want you to see how it pours the sand. So this is in Gashie. During the floods, this place was all flooded. So this is how someone can claim a quarry or a wetland. They're just pouring water and soil in large amount until it's able to soak in the water and prevent the place being flooded. Okay, then just see, look at how it pours now. So they're telling him to mwaga just like pour. So now they lifts the tipper up. So in the last few months, this place was a lake. I did a video here, I think if you just saw it. This place was like a lake. Water was like all over. Now it has dried up for some time, that's why looking more dry. They're trying to come up with a solution for that, so that next time when it rains, the water will not be able to go there. But now the problem is the water will divert to another different place. That's the worry now, because now the other houses that are on this side, like those ones here, these houses here, they'll be affected, because when the rains will come, it will flood the other side. Now they are done with that. That's why I see the vehicle is going now. So another tipper will come later to pour